I just arrived back in room 582 after housekeeping have done up the whole room, and this is an overview of the room as well as the look at what the housekeeping have done. So the category of room here is the courtyard room, named like that because the room looks out to the inner courtyard of the hotel. And you can see it comes with a big, comfortable king-size bed, which I have already tried, and it is definitely a little bit on the firmer side. So you can see the styling interior decor is very traditionally, conservatively styled. Very light tones. Sort of beige yellow tone throughout the Fullerton in the interior. There's a traditional type of working desk, oval shaped, as well as a traditional type of chair. The TV's okay, it's about 40 inches roughly. Amenities over there, complimentary apart from the snacks and the water. And when I arrived, they had the ginseng drink with honey, which I've already finished, so there's the apple left. So quite a comfortably sized bathroom here with nice appointments, granite benchtop perhaps, and everything placed neatly after the housekeeping have done their cleaning up of this area. Face mirror as well as a big mirror in the middle there, as well as a big sized bathtub with wide dimensions as well as ergonomically shaped, so it's probably comfortable. I actually don't know what they put under this towel, the housekeeping, so just to take a look. It's nothing, it's just placing the used towel in this position. So they've just covered the tap with the used towel here instead of hanging it up, because there's not really a convenient place to do that. Switching on that light gives you the full lighting of this room. Separate toilet stall cubicle. And there's the shoe as well as the other things. Shoe shine. That's the internet facilities, the umbrella, which would have become useful today because it started to rain, the laundry, bathrobe, ironing board, clothes hangers. Then having a look at the mini fridge, usual items, soft drinks, just a bit of beer, nothing more than that in terms of the alcohol that I can see. There's the glassware, and the safe is in that area, comfortable for a laptop. They have a DVD player right under the TV, which is a LG unit. So that's the Courtyard Room at the Fullerton Hotel, Singapore. And I think it's a very nicely done classic type of design in this room.